This guide will help you download the invoices from Copy.ai in a few simple steps. Follow the instructions below to easily access your invoices. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Copy.ai website and log in using your credentials. Ensure you have access to the account associated with the invoices you want to download. Step 2. Navigate to Billing section. Once logged in, locate the Billing or Account Settings section. This is typically found in the main menu or under your profile settings. Step 3. Access Invoice History. In the Billing section, look for an option labeled Invoice History or Payment History. Click on this option to view all your past invoices. Step 4. Select the invoice. Browse through the list of invoices and select the one you wish to download. There may be options to filter by date or amount to help you find the correct invoice. Step 5. Download the invoice. After selecting the invoice, look for a download button or link. Click on it to download the invoice as a PDF or other available formats to your device. Now you can easily access and manage your invoices from Copy.ai. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to the support team for assistance.